Hey guys, my name is Ankush and today I am going to show you how you can install your SSL certificate. In many hosting, there is no SSL certificate. You get no SSL certificate for free and you have to do it on your own. There is a alternative which I have already created a video for. You can go ahead and watch that video on my YouTube channel. But here in that video, I shown you how to use Cloudflare to and do this, but in Cloudflare what you have to do, you have to change your name servers. Actually, I am going to today show you how you can install the SSL certificate without any change of name servers. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, this is where you can check that your SSL certificate is not activated. Okay, so you can see this lock button and this connection is not secure, right? So here what we have to do, we have to install that SSL certificate. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to just go to this website. It is sslforfree.com. Okay, you have to then enter your domain name. So let's go here and just copy it and then paste it. Okay, so you have to just remove this stuff and just enter this one of your domain. Okay, then you can create free SSL, and now it will automatically create SSL certificate for you. Okay, now you have to do this verification. So what you can do either of these options. So what I will do, I will just prefer this one because it is simplest for everyone. So just use this, click this, then you have to just click this and just you will have to scroll down when you click this, and here you will have these two files. Just click this it and save it, and then download this as well and save it. So we have these two files downloaded. Okay, don't open it. Now what we have to do, we have to go to the folder name dot well known in our hosting. So let's go to hosting. You have to sign in to your hosting. Now you have to search for file manager, and this is the file manager. So here you will have all the websites you have and all the stuff will be here. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to click on settings and turn this on. Okay, show hidden files. Okay, normally if you are using one hosting and one domain, I have so many domains in here, but normally what happens that your website data will be in this folder, public underscore HTML. So your website will be under this folder, this public underscore HTML. So what you have to do in your case, you have to go inside it and do that stuff in here. Okay, so I will do similar stuff in a different folder because my site is in a different folder. So here my site is in this folder. So remember to turn this on. Okay, then when you turn this on, you will see this folder, right? You have to just worry about this folder. So just open it. Okay, so now files are downloaded. Now what you have to do, it says that you have to create another folder in this folder with name this. Okay, so if you don't have it, you have to just go ahead and create a folder inside it, like here. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go ahead and click this button right here. It is new for new folder. So just click it and just paste that name from here. Okay, so I will just create it, and now we will have these two folders. So just open it. Now you can see that you are in that folder. Let's verify you are in this folder. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just click this button. Okay, just click it, and then you have to just upload this file. So what happened when I click this upload button, a new tab have opened. So now you have to select the file and just upload these two files which you have just downloaded. So let's upload them, and now you can see this is green and 100% as well as. So let's go back, and as you can see we have these files in this folder. Just go back, and now you can see we will make sure they are in here. So you can see they are uploaded. So to verify this, what we can do, we can just open this link in new tab. Okay, if it shows like this, it means it is done. Okay, now we will check the other file. Okay, so you can see this is also done. Okay, so both of files are now downloaded. Okay, now you have to do, you have to just download SSL certificate. Okay, you have to just click this. So it will take some time, and then you will have your SSL certificate ready in meanwhile. Okay. So now, as you can see, we are on this option. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just create your account if you want, but what you can do, you can just leave it as it is. So you will get a SSL certificate for 90 days. Okay, after 90 days you have to do this again. So this is the only method you can try. So here is our SSL certificate files. Okay, so we have these three files. So you don't have to download anything. What you can do, you just have to go to your cPanel. Okay, here you have to search for SSL. So you have to go to this SSL/TLS. Okay, this one, not this one. So just click here. So this is the install option. So we will go to manage SSL sites, and here we will scroll down and just select our domain. So I have so many domains, but you may have only one. Okay, so you have to just select your domain, like this is the domain we are working on. So just select this, and you have to just go back to the certificate and copy it and paste it here. Now you have to just copy this private key, and then you have to paste it in the key option. Okay, so this is all done. Okay, now you have to copy this C's a bundle. I will copy it as well, and then you have to paste it in its option. So after that you have to just click install certificate, and now it's installing. So you can see that it is successfully installed. So now if I refresh my browser and check the SSL certificate again, it may not show me the results. Like you can see, this is not yet done. Let's check it by adding HTTPS here. Okay, so let's add HTTPS. So you can see that it is actually done. So your SSL certificate is installed. Many times you may not be able to properly check it because there are some caches issues. So what you can do in that case, if you want to check, you can go to sslshopper.com. What you have to do, just go to this website for checking your SSL certificate. So you have to just scroll down and go to this option, check SSL certificate on your site. So you have to just paste your domain like this, copy and paste. It doesn't matter, it really doesn't matter you put anything or not. So I am not adding anything, I am just getting it down. You will just click check SSL. So it will check the domain that SSL is activated or not. You can see it is loading. So here you can see it is showing you that Epicbeans is resolved to this IP address. So it will also tell you which IP address this website is pointed to. So you can also check this. So here you can see that this is actually, now you have certificate installed. Okay, both things are working. So all the certificates are installed. Now you can close this. Okay, you can close this, and I think you are good to go. So that is how you can install a certificate for free without changing your name server. So that's all in this video. Hope you like this. Thank you.